Welcome back. Let's do question 425. The graphs of f of x is equal to x squared minus 4x minus 5, and g of x is equal to a times 2 to the power x plus q as sketched below. So we have f of x and g of x. E and h are the x-intercepts of f. C is the y-intercept of f and lies on the asymptote of g. We found that in the previous question 421. The two graphs intersected D, the turning point of f. Right, we found that in question 422. Right, those are the coordinates of D. Then the instruction says, determine the values of k, for which the value of f of x minus k will always be positive. So it means if f of x has to be positive, it has to be shifted. It has to be shifted upwards. F of x has to be shifted upwards by more than 9 units, because here we have -9. So it means from there up to there, that is 9 units. So it means f of x must be shifted by more than 9 units. If it's shifted by 9 units, it will sit at 0 here. But so it has to be shifted by more than 9 units. So it means to f of x, we have to add more than 9 units. Remember, f of x plus a means vertical shift by a units upwards. So it means here, this negative k should be greater than 9. F of x plus negative k. So the negative k must be greater than 9. So we're saying negative k should be greater than 9. And then we solve this inequality. Okay, so it becomes k is less than -9. Remember, we're dividing by -1, then the inequality sign changes. So if k less than -9, makes sense. Let's say if k is -10, it will become f of x minus -10, which is f of x plus 10. It's like f of x has been shifted by 10 units upwards.